What's up everybody, Luke here, and today I'm going to show you an often overlooked feature in Adobe Illustrator and why you might find it useful. The feature in question is something called Trim View. Let me show you what it does. We're going to be using this artwork here I've put together previously. You can see it extends off of the artboard. So what you want to go to is View, then Trim View. So let's say you're working on something that extends beyond the artboard, but you want to see how it's cropped within your artboard without clipping masks. And that's exactly what Trim View does. Well, what might you use it for? Well, firstly, as we've already seen, it's handy to just see how the final artwork might be cropped as a final exported piece. But it's also handy if you're exporting a number of web-ready JPEGs for your Instagram posts, as an example, and want a few different perspectives of your work. Using this, you can resize it within your artboard, move it around, and save for web without having to clipping mask it, as Save for Web only exports what's inside the artboard selected by default. And that's it. A short tutorial this week, but hopefully one you find helpful. As always, feel free to drop tutorial suggestions and questions in the comments, and until next time, stay creative.